Okay, so what you're gonna have to do here is to click on settings. So click here on settings, and then we're gonna have to go here on policies. So click on policies here. So policies, and then here we have return and refund policies. Now, of course, you can write this by yourself. You can maybe ask ChatGPT to help you write a good return refund policy. You can create from template. All right, so you have your email there, and you can insert then just you have a template, but you're just gonna have to change a couple of things. Like you're gonna have to insert your return address, and then other things you can maybe, I'm not a lawyer, you can ask a lawyer, someone more proficient when it comes down to writing a good return or refund policies. But yeah, I think this one from Shopify is good. You just need to insert your address, and then here, if you have more, also you like to add some shipping policy or privacy policy, you can click on create from template. Pretty helpful. Also, we have contact, legal notice, terms of service, and probably you don't see any changes because you really forgot to click on save here, which I face this problem myself because usually I'm used to just leave the page because I think that it saves automatically, which doesn't. It doesn't. You just have to click on here on save. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know if this fixed the problem, or if you have the same problem, or if this is not really a solution, but just something to let you know that you click on save. Now I know other solution. I don't know if this helped because it didn't help, didn't work. I mean, didn't help me. But you can also try different browser and also try different browser and also clean your cache. So just clean your history and also close the page. Try that as well. I hope it's gonna help you. Thanks for watching, and take care.